Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bleeding Crypto's Bitcoin update. Today is January 4th, and we'll be sitting currently at around $3,720. So last night we lost the support of this cluster here of EMAs, came back down, was unable to find support line, landed right in this area here, which in the past has acted as support and resistance. We have another support line a little bit below it at $3,670 in case the sell-off continues. I'm expecting the price to fall right in this area here. The MACD does not look very good right now. I did have a bearish crossover and it's currently has a bearish downtick on it. The RSI, however, I see it right here, right above the oversold conditions at about 32 points. So we definitely have enough room on the indicators for another move up. We're just lacking that volume at the moment coming into to Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin at the 4-hour time frame, we can see here that yesterday it did a nice retracement down to the 618 level, and it started to move back up, got rejected by the 9 EMA, and then tried again on past the 9 EMA, but got rejected by the 100 MA. Once again here, and then the downfall just started to come. You can see here where we're having a bearish crossover between the 9 and the 50 EMA. So this might push the price even further down. Currently we're sitting in the 786 fib level. But if we don't get some liquidity in here soon, I'm afraid we're going to continue to bleed a little bit further and maybe touch $3,670. Looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame, and we zoom out and give us a little bit of perspective on where we're sitting at with Bitcoin. You can see here where we're in a really tight range. We broke this range briefly in this area here, came back down right into the range here for quite some time now. Looking at the 1-day time frame, again, gives us a little even better perspective on this channel that Bitcoin is currently reflecting that price action that we see, just a flat line coming in. Looking here at the 1-day time frame, you can really see the volume just diminishing. And if we don't get some volume really soon, we might come down and test the prior support at around $3,200. If $3,670 doesn't hold, we have a good chance of coming back down here. So hopefully, the weekends aren't very good for liquidity, but if we can get a push this weekend top of this channel, it would be ideal. Looking at the overall market, currently we have Bitcoin, the overall market is sitting at $128 billion, almost $129 billion. So we lost about $1.5 billion or so since the top 10 is sitting in a negative at about 3 to 4% across the board on the top 10. Looking at the 24-hour gainers, the top 3 gainers in the past 24 hours, number 1, Repo, it's a small cap coin at 48%. We have Link adding another $20 million to their market cap from yesterday at 14.98%. And we have ARK at 9.07%. Looking at the Tensor Heat maps, you can see here where we have a cluster of support right at about $3,710. So about $30 or so away from hitting this cluster of support. Hopefully, if it does come down to this, I'll have enough support here to continue to move the price upward like we saw the past couple of days. If not, we definitely have enough fuel here. Might see a downward trend coming into the weekend. Thank you guys very much. For those in my Discord group, we will have another video coming up for news, and then we'll have our 1 o'clock Zoom session, our daily Zoom session for today. So I look forward to seeing you guys on that one. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.